Nature is so beautiful when you feel it. To make you feel the beauty of nature, I, Aditya Kumar, with my co-host Ishanvi Roy, welcome you all for the class event of Class 2, To Wait, To Be and To See. I feel grateful to have the presence of our honorable dignitaries and beloved teachers who are an inspiration to all. They are the role models for all the students for discipline and incomparable hard work. No one on earth can love us more than our parents. Behind the hard work and success of any person, there is an inspiration of parents. I would like to appreciate all the students for their presence. I wish good luck to all the students. The theme of our event is Nature, Our Precious Asset.